In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a small business or handling your household budget, tracking expenses is crucial for maintaining financial clarity. So, let's dive into a practical, step-by-step guide to ensure your expenses are accurately recorded in Zoho Books. First, we'll start by navigating to the Expenses module. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, you'll want to head over to the Purchases section. You'll find this on the main dashboard. Within Purchases, click on Expenses. If you prefer using shortcuts, simply press Shift+X, and you'll be directed right to it. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Plus New button. This action will open up a new window for you to enter all relevant expense details. Now that you have the new expense screen in front of you, it's time to fill in the necessary expense details. Enter the date of the expense. This helps in maintaining an accurate chronological order of your expenses. There's also an option to add an employee associated with the expense. This is optional, but if you have personnel dedicated to specific tasks or projects, it can be helpful for tracking purposes. You can either select from existing employees or add a new one if it's their first expense entry. The next item on your list is selecting the appropriate expense account. Think of this as categorizing your purchase, for instance, supplies, travel, or utilities. Proper categorization is instrumental in accurate reporting and financial analysis. After choosing the expense account, you'll need to select how the expense was paid through. Here, you'll choose whether it was a bank account, a cash account, or any other payment account you have linked to Zoho Books. You also have the option to attach the expense to a vendor. While this is optional, attaching a vendor can help in better tracking vendor relations and payments. If a particular cost needs to be billed to a customer, there's a provision to mark it as billable. In the Customer and Project section, link the expense to any relevant customer and project. This is especially useful if you plan on invoicing the customer later, ensuring seamless and organized billing management. By following these straightforward steps, you've just recorded an expense in Zoho Books. Accurate expense tracking goes a long way in helping you maintain a well-organized financial record, which is essential for generating insightful reports. As you become more familiar with this process, it will become second nature, saving you time and boosting your efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your finances more effectively.